I want to welcome you all to the Edinburgh Chamber of Commerce Centennial Banquet. We're here at Region 1. We're doing some amazing things, honoring some great individuals. We've been working so hard for this celebration for the Edinburgh Chamber of Commerce. It's really well deserving. A lot of history tied to the Edinburgh Chamber and the City of Edinburgh and all the great things they have done through their business community and volunteerism. So a lot happening tonight. We have live music, Roaring 20s theme, a lot of amazing things happening to honor and recognize our man and woman of the year, all our volunteers, and it's going to be a great night.